Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to be introducing to you guys the NIRA Pro, which is a non-fractional laser for your whole face, neck, décolletage, and even hands. And I have been using the NIRA Precision Laser for many years, which is FDA cleared for the eye area only, with great results. And I have tons of video on my channel talking about the NIRA Precision Laser. And on this video, I'm going to talk about all the info for the NIRA Laser Pro. I'm going to talk about the differences between these two lasers, show you a full demonstration in real time using both of these devices, and also show you lots of before and afters and tips. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. This is going to be a very detailed video with lots of great information and full real-time tutorial, tips, and before and afters. So if you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check the timestamps below. I have all the information on the description box. My channel is all about aging gracefully, being healthy and happy. So if you like videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This video is done in partnership with NIRA, which I'm super excited because I actually have been using the NIRA Precision Laser for many years now, and I actually bought the NIRA when it first came into the market, which I'll tell the story on this video as well. And I'm also going to show you my before and afters from using the NIRA on and off for many years with great results. And it's honestly the best thing that I have found for my eye hoods, which I'll show my before and afters on this video as well, with lots of tips so you also can get the best results. Both of the NIRA lasers use non-fractional laser technology that's FDA cleared for home use, meaning this is a lot gentler laser that you can actually safely do at home without any downtime or redness. NIRA uses a patented non-fractional laser technology to build natural collagen. Because as we age, collagen breaks down, causing wrinkles and sagging skin. NIRA skincare laser stimulates collagen production without damaging the skin. Increased collagen plumps the skin and smooths wrinkles to reveal more firm, youthful-looking skin. NIRA penetrates through the epidermis, which is the outer skin, at a wavelength of 1,450 nanometers and is absorbed specifically in the dermis area where your collagen and elastin cells are located. The dermal layers heats up to just under 46 degrees Celsius and triggers the body to build natural collagen. Cell rebuilds, revealing younger looking skin in 90 days guarantee. One thing to keep in mind is with any beauty tools, you have to give it time to work, especially the ones that build collagen, because within 60 days you should see some results, but for better results you should use it for 90 days because that's how long it takes for collagen to build. But NIRA does have a 90 days return policy, money back guarantee, which is truly amazing, so that way you can return after 90 days if you don't like your results. And I have a little story to tell you about that, because honestly, I've purchased my first NIRA laser when it first came out. Literally, there was no YouTube videos, no tutorials, no coupon codes, no discounts, nothing. I bought the NIRA laser myself years ago, and I actually returned it because I wasn't using enough, because at the time there was not a lot of information about the NIRA laser, so I really didn't know like if it was working because I did not give it enough time to work. So I called and returned it, and I had no problem returning, by the way, no questions asked, and they refund me the money. And I think a year later, NIRA contacted me to test it out, and I decided to give it another shot, especially because there was a lot of great before and afters online. Since people were already using it for a little bit, I decided to give it another shot, and I'm glad I did. And I wanted to share the story with you to tell you that you do need to give it enough time to work, because if you don't use it enough or long enough, you may not see results. But if you stick with it, you will see results, and you'll see now for my before and afters. I'm going to start with my before and afters from using the NIRA Precision Laser on my eye area for many years on and off, because I want to show you which kind of results you can get with the laser. When I first started using the NIRA Precision Laser, I only use it on my under eye and crow's feet area. So the first before and after is actually from using the NIRA laser in my under eye area and crow's feet, and this is my 30 days results. And you can see from the photos that even though it was only 30 days, I already saw a lot of reduction on the depth of the line, the firmness of the skin, and even the crow's feet, which are usually dynamic wrinkles, but they did get smoothed out even within 30 days. I tested for 30 days, but even better results I got with 60 days and 90 days. I just didn't do a video to show you. But recently I started using the NIRA laser again on my eye hood area, and now I'm going to show you my 3-month results from using the precision laser only on my eye hood area. I wanted to show you this before and after so you can see that the longer you use the NIRA laser, the more results you can get. So the results of the NIRA laser on this before and after that I want you to pay attention is how my actual hoods are firmer, less scrapey, and a lot thicker. The skin was a lot thinner on the before photo, and this is my 3-month results. Now I want to tell a little bit about the NIRA Laser Pro and also the differences between these two devices. The NIRA Pro is the first and only painless at-home laser that is FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles with a large enough tip to treat the full face in just 3 minutes a day. Using the same non-fractional laser technology as dermatologists, NIRA Pro gently heats the dermis to stimulate natural collagen production without any pain or downtime. Customers have also seen improvements in dark spots, hyperpigmentation, tone and texture, acne and acne scars, rosacea, broken capillaries, and results in other areas, back of hands, etc. I will also have NIRA Pro photos in a future video because I'm just going to start using it today. So in a future video, we can compare those. The differences, obviously, first, you can visually see is the treatment head. The NIRA Pro has a lot of bigger of a treatment head that you can treat your face, neck, and décolletage, and you can treat your whole face in 3 minutes a day. The NIRA Precision has a lot smaller head that you can treat your eye area and mouth area in 2 minutes a day. Another difference is that the NIRA Precision has this button here that you press when you are doing your treatment, that you have to press when the device is in full contact with your skin so you can get your treatments. And the NIRA Pro, you don't have to press the button. It starts automatically once you are in full contact with your skin. Even though it doesn't have the shot button, it's still a pretty safe device that will not fire unless it's in full contact with your skin, which you'll see on the real-time tutorial. Another difference is that the NIRA Pro is clear to treat your whole face, neck, décolletage, and hands, and the NIRA Precision is cleared for the delicate eye area. That's why when you guys asked me in the past if you could use the NIRA Precision all over your face, I would say no, because you don't really get the best results since it's only clear for the delicate eye area. It's not strong enough to get rid of nasolabial folds or anything else on the rest of your face, but it works amazing for the fine lines around your mouth and eye area because the skin is a lot thinner and is a lot more delicate. That's why they came up with the NIRA Pro, which will give you a lot better results and you can use on your face and body. Both the NIRA Pro and the NIRA Precision Laser help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating natural collagen production. They both give no redness or downtime, but I must say that the NIRA Pro is truly painless. Like, I feel no pain whatsoever, even from the get-go. But the NIRA Precision Laser, which I have mentioned before, at the beginning you do feel a little pain, but you do build tolerance as you get used to it. So now it's painless, completely painless to me. But in the beginning, I did feel a little pain as I started using the NIRA Precision. NIRA Laser Pro gave me no pain whatsoever, so it's truly painless. The other difference is that you can treat larger surface area with the NIRA Laser Pro, and the NIRA Precision is only clear for the eye area. And they're both safe from all skin types and color. And there are 5 comfort levels on both of these devices, and they both have a 90-day money-back guarantee, and they're both FDA cleared. Before you start your treatment, make sure you wash your face and that is clean of any oils or makeup. Only put your serums and skincare after you're done with your NIRA treatment. And on that note, I want to give you a very important tip, because when you use the NIRA laser, you have to keep in mind that it is a laser. It can be a little drying for the skin, so it's so important to actually have a very good skincare regimen when you're using these devices. So I highly suggest you have a good serum followed by a good moisturizing cream, and kind of do a few times a week eye masks or face masks to keep your skin hydrated. The way I've been doing my treatments is I'll be using my NIRA Laser Pro on my whole face under eyes and crow's feet, and I will continue using my NIRA Precision Laser on my eye hoods because I find that the NIRA Precision Laser works a lot better. Being so small, you can really get it to the areas that I need treated. The NIRA Pro is clear for the whole face, but since the head is so big, I wouldn't suggest to use on your eye hoods. Since this area is so small and so close to your eyes, I would highly suggest only use this for your under eye and crow feet. And if you want to get your hoods treated, to consider using the NIRA Precision Laser, which is cleared for the eye area. So I'm going to show you how I do my treatment now. Now I'm going to show you a full real-time tutorial with the NIRA Laser using both the Precision Laser as well as the NIRA Laser Pro. I'm going to start with the NIRA Laser Pro on my whole face, neck, décolletage, and hands. And I'm going to finish it up with the NIRA Precision Laser on my eye hood area. Turn it on. You press this button here. I'm going to start on level 1, and honestly, I feel no pain whatsoever on level 1, but I highly suggest that even if you feel no pain on level 1, to start on level 1 and build your way accordingly. Always good to start slow. So I'm going to start, put it flush to your skin, and you can see it starts automatically. You just have to make sure it's completely flush to your skin. And just move it around. It's pretty easy and pretty quick. You feel a little bit of a heat, but nothing bearable, actually no pain whatsoever. And you just cover your whole face. I like that I don't have to press the button. All you need to do is make sure it's completely flush to your skin. And if it's not flush, you will hear a different sound, which I'll probably show you pretty soon. I love how big the head is and how quickly you can do the treatments. It has a different sound every 10 shots, and you can treat your whole crow's feet area so quickly. And you can even go under your eyes as well. So you can treat the eye area as well, and also your nose. So the device has a fan that kind of turns it on to cool off the device. Yeah, so that was the face. I turn it off so you can just take a look of the treatment. Completely pain-free and no redness whatsoever. You just feel like a nice, comfortable warmth, but compared to the actual Precision Laser, this is truly painless. So now I'm going to do my neck and décolletage. So I'm going to start with the neck. So you have to be completely flush to the skin. I'm very curious to know how this will work for my necklines, from my tech lines. Because since it's building collagen, it should help with that as well. And oh, sorry, see, that's a misfire because I was going to scratch my nose. That's what a misfire sound. See, that's a misfire, so make sure it's flush to the skin. And this one, guys, you can use in the thyroid area, which is pretty cool because, as I mentioned in many of my videos, a lot of devices you cannot use in the thyroid area, which becomes really tricky to treat the turkey neck when you cannot use in the thyroid. But this one you can use in the thyroid, which is pretty cool. And I did check with NIRA before. It is okay to use in the thyroid area. Beauty tools are the best thing for this area. I find that face creams don't really do the trick for me. Whenever I use my devices consistently, my double chin and turkey neck gets so much better. And I'm excited to see which kind of results I can get with the NIRA Laser Pro. Now let me treat the décolletage area. So I'm going to start on here and treat this whole triangle area here. And recently, guys, I have reviewed a serum that I was using for my décolletage area that improved the area a lot, especially my décolletage wrinkles because I am a side sleeper. That serum was amazing, and I even bought multiple bottles, but I stopped using it recently so I can do the test with the NIRA Laser because I don't want to use anything else that will influence my results, so you guys can see which kind of results you can get from the NIRA Laser by itself. Plus that serum is pretty expensive, so I'm also looking forward to finding a solution for this area with a tool. That way I don't have to spend so much money on that serum, which does work, guys. I'm so impressed with it, but you have to keep using forever. The NIRA Laser will build the collagen, and then you can keep up the results as opposed to having to buy the serum all the time. So that's it, and you guys can see no redness whatsoever, no pain whatsoever. Now I'm gonna do in my hands I'm going to take your jewelry off. Tip for when you're using the NIRA Pro on your hands is to have it on a flat surface and close your fingers close together. That way you make sure the device is flush to the skin. Because again, if you have a gap, it will not fire. It will do a misfire. Let me show you just an example. See, that is a misfire sound because the fingers are apart. But if you have the fingers together, then you have a full shot. So that's something to keep in mind when you treat the hands. So when you treat your hands, make sure they're free of any creams as well as wash. Make sure your hands are flat into the surface and put your fingers next to each other so there's no gaps, because if there are gaps, it will misfire. So make sure they're all together, and you can start from your wrists and work your way up, or whichever way works best for you, as long as you cover the whole hand. And again, when you get to the fingers, make sure they're close together, that way it doesn't misfire. And I'm interested to see which kind of results I can get from my hands, because my hands actually is definitely aging, and I don't do much to my hands either. So it's really cool that you can use this device on your hands as well. I'm going to be using the NIRA Precision Laser only on my eye hoods, because I find that this one actually is the best one for the eye hoods still, since it's a lot smaller, a lot safer to use so close to your eyes, and I see amazing results. So the way I do it is really simple. You just kind of make sure you have a mirror and you kind of look up like if you're using a mascara, and then that's a misfire. So you kind of look up like if you're using a mascara, and you can go one next to each other, contouring the eye area, making sure it's flush to the skin, and you press. I'm pressing this button here on top to fire. When it gets to this area here, it's very tricky, so I kind of like to press it almost towards my nose to kind of reach that corner there, and then do another from the top. And if you had a lot of hooded eyes, it's good to even hold it a little bit like that. And that's it. Even though it is a home treatment that is very gentle, it can be a little drying to the skin. So for even better results, make sure you follow up with a good skincare, a serum followed by a good cream. Any serums that you have at home should work. NIRA has a good hyaluronic acid serum that you can use, but you don't have to use with their serum. You can use with any of your favorite serums. I also have a DIY hyaluronic acid serum on my channel. If you want to check out and make it yourself, I have the link on the description box below. But the most important thing when you use a hyaluronic acid serum, guys, is to follow with a good face moisturizer, because you want to lock the hydration. Put it everywhere that you treat it. The décolletage, the eye area, lather that up. So make sure it's a serum that is safe for your eye area as well. As I was saying, a good hyaluronic acid serum is really good to hold in moisture, but it's very important to seal that moisture with a good moisturizer and even a little bit of spray of water, and because the hyaluronic acid serum pulls moisture from the air. So if there's not enough moisture from the air, or you don't seal it with a moisturizer, you're actually drying your skin. That is very important. I didn't have my spray with me here, but often I just do like a little quick spray, or you can do it in a moist face. Like if you wash your face, if the skin is a little moist, is the best time to put the hyaluronic acid serum, and then follow with your favorite moisturizer to make sure you seal all the moisture in. And I'm using my triple cream erasing cream from Medicube, which I talk about in my channel before. Works to stimulate collagen as well. But you can use any of your favorite face creams, and this one is safe to use on the eye area as well. So I actually often use it on my eyes as well. But make sure, if you have a good skincare, to apply your face serum followed by your moisturizer or eye serum. If you have a good eye serum, even better, to lock the moisture in. And I'm using just one that I kind of keep it simple. I ran out of my eye serum recently, and this one I usually use all over my face and eye. It doesn't stink, but not all face creams can be used on the eye area. So make sure you use your regular face cream, your good eye cream, but make sure you have a serum underneath. So that way you're locking the moisture in, make sure your skin is plumped and moisturized to get even better results. If you're interested in any of these devices, I do have a coupon code that you can save some money and also help support my channel, and I'll leave all the affiliate links on the description box below. I will continue using both of these devices exclusively so I can update you guys in a few months, showing my results from using the NIRA Laser Pro for a long time. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my update video with the NIRA Laser Pro showing my after photos after using for a long time. And if this video is helpful to you, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!